Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday, Steph at Steffi Claus. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Haley's Nails 123. Our theme was glitter and gems. Yeah. So today I'm using the E&A Pro's Choice nail tips, and I'll be using Moonshine Manis if you like pina coladas. And here we go. Now I am going to apply these to my nails at the end of the video so you can see what they look like on. There we go with our first coat, a little sheer, a little see-through. And we're doing a second coat, and at this point I realize, alright, we need to sponge this. So I'm going to get a makeup sponge, and I've dampened it, and here we go. We're going to apply some of the polish to that sponge, and then get to dabbing. Build it up quick without it being too thick. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and do that again. And very glittery, lots of glitter, big, little, and all in between. Very pretty. I'm going to top this with the American Classics Jealous. That helps fill in all that bulkiness from glitter. But it's not a quick dry. So I'm going to use Seche Vite today to top these off and to get them to dry down, because we got some gem placement to do on this. Mine's actually going to be kind of like, I don't know if they're considered gems, but studs. But I figured it would work. So I'm tapping that in. Got that glossy top coat on. It's still wet, so I'm trying to use that as my sticky layer. I did the little squares, and now I'm going to go in with some little round gems. And just to put them in here and there and everywhere. Before I forget, I will have a hashtag and links to the other ladies that participated in this here collaboration listed down in the description box. Alright, I'm going to top these over with the G-Gal topper. This is for gems and stones and things like that. I just decided I would go ahead and use it on this too. Now this is not going to be totally flat, but by doing this topper, it'll be okay. It will dang it, what's the word I'm trying to come up with? It'll help not catch them in the hair and stuff, you know. Won't be fraying. So there it is. Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.